So we'll see what's going on. Me personally, in the short term, I feel like, hey, there's a lot of people who are extremely bullish and who think they're geniuses right now, and usually when that happens, the market wants to kind of humble you a little bit. So I think maybe there could be like a shakeout coming soon. I don't know. That's what I was telling people in the Telegram group. A couple people agreed with me, a couple people didn't. But I think there might be a shakeout, some type of retracement in the total 2, maybe back down to the 34 or something, which would be a nice ugly red day in the altcoins again, or a nice ugly red day in Bitcoin. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about this market. So this fear and greed index that I have behind me just flashed a nice quick flash from greed to fear. In my last video, I just talked about, hey, this market is getting too greedy, a little bit too confident, and usually when that happens, there is a fake out. That's what we've seen happen. So I want to talk about those charts a little bit. Of course, I want to talk about this whole Elon Musk situation. Elon Musk tweeted about Bitcoin, talking about Bitcoin is not energy efficient, which it isn't. So we're gonna get into that. So a lot of people are thinking now he's about to pump the crap out of Doge, which, hey, maybe. Like I said, this thing is going crazy. This market is going way more for hype than anything else. So they might push Doge to $1. I'm not doubting it, but like I said, don't think it's gonna end well. So I'm not going to go ahead and do anything over there. There's plenty of other opportunities in this market for me and other people to take advantage of. This is not financial advice. You do whatever you do. I just hope that in the long run you come up. But anyways, let's just get right into this video. But first, if you want to get in the Telegram group, so I'll put the link for that in the description. Just go ahead and hit that thing, making it nice and easy now that the thing died down and got a bunch of those fakers out. So yeah, link in the description for that. Let me know. Yeah, let's just get right into it. So like I said, fear and greed index went down to a 31. I'm like, what? When I go and check out that chart where I said, hey, we might come back down to the 34 in the total 2. Yesterday we came almost to there. We're a little bit to there. We're about $5 billion off, I guess, but that was pretty crazy. In the total, we did come below the 34 and bounce right back above it. And in Bitcoin, we came below the 34 and started going right here, started building another, what I think is probably a bear flag, and might head down a little bit, but we bounced right there at $45,000. So that is a nice level for me to feel a little bit safe at. Like I said, as long as Bitcoin is above 43, then I'm still happy about the entire market and the bull run and everything. See, what people don't really understand about what's going on, people have paper hands right now and they're just like, oh my god, Bitcoin's energy efficient, and then there's like a convergence between Tesla, SpaceX, renewable energy, Bitcoin. And what I really wanted to point out about this article that I read right here was basically, in the long run, they're saying this. From Mr. Elon Musk himself, Jack tweeted right here, Bitcoin incentivizes renewable energy, to make a long story short of what Square Crypto was talking about. And Elon Musk says true. So, hey, at the end of the day, long as Tesla still has some Bitcoin in their wallet, I think that they're bullish on Bitcoin because they didn't buy no other cryptocurrencies. When they put Doge on the balance sheet, come holla at me. But he did tweet out today, working with the Doge devs to improve the system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. It's weird to me because I'm sure he knows about the inflation on Doge, but at the end of the day, hey, it is what it is. He's doing what he's doing. Nobody understands the guy. Nobody knows why. It is what it is. It is what it is. After that, people say, do you think Tesla is going to accept Doge? I don't know. It depends. Did they sell any cars for Bitcoin? That's the question. Because I think that a lot of companies always try to accept Bitcoin, just like Overstock.com and a couple other companies. It doesn't work out for them. They end up having to pay money for somebody to offer them a service to do Bitcoin, and they actually get in orders because nobody wants to buy things with their Bitcoin, and that's why Bitcoin became a store of value. value and not a payment, not a currency per se in the long run. Maybe in the long run, once everybody, like once Satoshi's a dollar, then maybe people will start using it for a currency. But right now, people just use it as a store of value, and that's why they're not buying Teslas with it. And I think that's why Tesla stopped accepting it. And that's just my opinion, because in the long run, Tesla ends up being connected to all these different probes and questions about making Bitcoin mining more efficient. Elon Musk has talked about it before himself. So that's just something to think about with the whole Doge situation. Also, something else that stroked a little bit of fear in the market that people are talking about less is breaking news: Binance is under investigation by the DOJ and the IRS. Now, by the IRS, it's because the IRS wants their cut. They see you making money and they want their cut. Give them their cut before they come after you. And that's what's going on over there at Binance. They're saying, hey, we know you said you banned American users, but we can tell that they're still using it. We can see that you have volume from over here. When we get a VPN, we can log in and make trades. So they're just saying, hey, look, go ahead and we want to investigate you guys. And CZ comes out and says so much FUD, blah, 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 blah. He must have the best lawyers in the world or whatever. But it is all FUD in the long run, because look, these are decentralized systems. The smartest thing Binance did was create BSC, which they can call decentralized, and it can't be touched by the governments. They can do whatever they want to the Binance exchange, but they can't touch the decentralized part of it. So that was pretty interesting. I wanted to talk about that too in today's news, because not as many people are bringing that up, and I think that's one of the big things adding to this fear right here, because not everybody in the market cares about Doge or what's going on with Elon Musk, even though it's like big news. And one news about a token, Lightning Network. I talked about this token recently on my channel, and I said, hey, I'd like this coin because they are a pretty interesting incubator and launch pad on the Binance Smart Chain. They got some interesting people on the team, and what's cool today is that Lightning Labs had a partnership with BSC News, and I was like, what? When I clicked on the Twitter, I'm like, hey, they got 109k subscribers right there. I mean, yeah, followers on BSC News, and you know, they're giving all the news and everything. So being able to have someone like this, you know, give news on the new Launchpad products on the Binance Smart Chain is pretty interesting. So let me know what you guys think. Real quick video today, just wanted to touch on the news. People are saying that Bitcoin is bad for the environment. This is the narrative that always comes around every single bull run, even the ones that I haven't been here for. I've seen old articles about it, and yeah, nobody's really talking about the fees, and that's what's interesting to me. Nobody cares about the fees anymore, so we'll see if the fees come up next after this. Maybe that'll be the next FUD that we see all over the news. But the shakeout happened. Had a nice little shakeout. I know some weak hands got out of this market and were scared. That was about $340 billion worth of money left the market after a tweet. That was pretty crazy to me. So let me know what you guys think about the video. Let me know what you guys think about this overall market right now. People are saying hype is outruling fundamentals. What do you guys think? I think right now we're kind of seeing that, but in the long run, I'm still going to be banking more on fundamentals and probably taking advantage of some of the hype, but still just banking on fundamentals. So like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.